Welcome back to Improve Daily. Sometimes it can seem overwhelming when we find ourselves in debt. Whether if it is a school loan or credit card debt, these can add up over time with compound interest. Let's get into how we can plan to get ourselves out of debt with debt repayment strategies. There are several strategies that can be used to repay debt. Number 1. The debt snowball method. This involves paying off debts in order from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. This can be a good option for people who need to see quick progress in order to stay motivated. Number 2. The debt avalanche method. This involves paying off debts in order from highest to lowest interest rate. This can be a more financially efficient option as it saves more money on interest in the long run. Number 3. Using balance transfer credit cards. If you have credit card debt with high interest rates, you may be able to save money by transferring your balance to a credit card with a lower interest rate. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand any fees associated with the balance transfer. Number 4. Consolidating debt. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, you may be able to save money by consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and pay it off more quickly. Number 5. Prioritizing high interest debt. If you have multiple debts with different interest rates, it can be helpful to focus on paying off the ones with the highest interest rates first, as these will cost you the most money in the long run. Number 6. Increasing income. Another way to pay off debt more quickly is to try to increase your income, either by asking for a raise or taking on additional work. This can give you more money to put towards your debts each month. Number 7. Cutting expenses. Finally, you can also try to cut expenses in order to free up more money to put towards your debts. Look for areas where you can trim your budget, such as dining out or subscription services. Thanks again for watching till the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more videos like these.